Okay, let's go on. Speaking part two. Talk about an important river or lake in your country or hometown. Please.
Well, Pakistan is a diverse country. There are many lakes, rivers, and ocean also. But the river that I would like to mention here is Swat River. It is called so because it originates from the city Swat, located in the province KPK, stands for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And I am very fond of tourism. I have visited most of popular places in my country, and I also visit this place last year with my friends and my uni fellows. The most impressive thing of this river is its clear water. The water of this river is very clear because it consists most melt ice, and the other thing is its higher pressure because it flows from high to low, therefore its pressure is quite higher. And the third thing is stones in it. There are many types of stones, whether and different colors and different sizes, therefore this place is very important. And the area of this river is very wide, and it's a wide area place, therefore
All right, overall it's very good. You used a variety of words. Now just try to be a little more fluent.
Yes.
Okay, and you'll be fine. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. Why do people like water sports?
Well, people like water sports because they want to spend quality time on river, lakes, and oceans in summer mostly. Therefore, they prefer water games because in summers there is very hot. And
Okay, in summer it is very hot. That's why people love water sports and all that. So try to be a little more fluent and practice all these topics. You'll be fine, right? Thank you.